Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to unmute group calls on Instagram, ensuring you never miss a moment with your friends again. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Once the app is open, look for the messages icon located at the top of the page. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is where all your direct messages and group chats are housed. Tap on it to enter your messaging section. Now that you're in your messages, it's time to find the group you want to unmute. Scroll through your conversations until you locate the specific group chat. If you have many chats, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by typing in the group's name. After you've found the group, click and hold on it. This action will bring up a menu with various options related to that group chat. It's a simple way to access more settings without navigating through multiple screens. Next, select Unmute Calls from the options presented. Instagram allows you to choose how long you'd like to unmute calls for, whether it's for a specific period or until you decide to mute them again. Choose your preferred duration based on your needs. Once you've made your selection, you're all set. You will now receive notifications for any incoming calls from that group, ensuring you're always in the loop with your friends or family. In summary, unmuting group calls on Instagram is a straightforward process. Open the app, tap on Messages, find your group chat, click and hold it. Then select Unmute Calls and choose your desired period. Following these steps will help you stay connected and engaged with your loved ones effortlessly. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps enhance your Instagram experience. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks.